Hello students, welcome back in your physical education class. Today I am going to teach your next game, that is badminton. So first of all, the history of badminton. So it is a very popular game played by racket and played by all categories of male and female in singles and doubles group. And it was played in the royal courts of England till 1873, and it was inspired by an Indian game, Pune. Now, the latest rules of the game. So in this game, player hits the shuttlecock back and forth over the net with the racket. And badminton is played in singles, doubles and mixed doubles. There are two ways to win a rally: getting the shuttlecock to hit the opponent's side court or forcing opponent to commit a fault. The next rule is fault occur. When fault occurs, when the shuttlecock is hit out of bounds, touches the court, doesn't go over the net, touches a player or his clothes, or infringements of rules. The next is a game consists of 21 points continuous scoring in the best of 3 games. In case of tie, at 20th point, the difference of 2 points will be considered for deciding game. And continuous point scoring, that is following according to new rules. The points are told as love all in the beginning. And the last rule, that is change of sides, are done after each game and also on the 11th point in the final game. Now, what is single game and double game? In single game, one player in each half plays and covers the single court area of own half court by hitting the shuttle over the net. He performs all the even point services from the right side of the court to the right side of the opponent courts. And what is double game? Double game, a team of 2 players. Each plays against the other. Team get advantage if they play attacking game. Good combination of team rotates front and back to get more chances of attack, while defensive game, that is played by side to side area. So this is single game and double game. Now the playing field and equipments. So you will learn all these dimensions: height of poles, height of net, number of points in game. So this is all that will learn by yourself. Now next, that is the terminology. There is many terms that are related to the badminton game. So this session that is also completed by you. And here the last one, duties of umpire and duties of service umpire. So what is the duty of umpire? To check the condition of playing surface and arrange linesman over different lines. To call both players or teams for the toss and start the game. To call out scoring after each point. To give decisions as per rule on conflicting points, and to declare in or out in crucial point with assistance from linesman. And what are the duties of service umpire? To check the service fault of serving player, like waist fault, foot fault, line cut, service court error. And he also can changes the shuttle on demand of player. He makes the cleaning of surface in case of sweat falling over the court. Now the fundamental skills of badminton. First, that is grip. It can be forehand grip or backhand grip. Footwork, court crafting, service, maybe high service, low service or flick service. Strokes, maybe overhand, forehand stroke, overhead backhand stroke, underarm forehand stroke, or underhand backhand stroke. The shots may be clearing, lobbing, drop shot or smash. Now first one, that is the service. Service, high service. To begin a rally, service is done from half side of the court to the diagonally opponent's court. This service forces the opponent to go at the back of the court, and there are many variations of services like short service, drive service, reverse hand service and flick service. Next one is the underhand lift or forehand lift. Here you can see what is underhand lift. You can understand from this picture, this is a basic defensive skill to lift the shuttle in opponent's court and performed with forehand push of the racket. Backhand lift, you can see here backhand lift. Again a defensive skill to clear the shuttle and taken with the reverse hand push of racket. Then now next one is the clear or toss. Here you can see in this picture, this is an offensive as well as defensive stroke and taken with the overhead swing of the racket to hit the shuttle hard so that shuttle goes deep and back to the opponent's court, and it may be high clear or low clear. Smash, you know all about smash, offensive stroke to stop the rally at once, and shuttle that is powerfully hit in downward direction like this. Half smash, so half smash, that is simply smashing with half of strength, and it is also offensive skill in which shuttle travels very fast in on half court but lands close to net in opponent side. Next, that is drop. So here you can see drop, that is low push to the shuttle so that it just crosses the net and lands near the net in opponent's court. Next is the hairpin net shot, returning a close drop by placing the shuttle close to net in opponent's court. Next one is a net kill, in which shuttle is hit near the net in downward direction, and it is also known as tap. Flat return, it is returning the coming shuttle with force just at the height of the net. And here you can see what is the smash, what is drop, and what is clear. And now there are some important personalities, tournaments, and venues. These are some important tournaments, important venues. Arjuna Award winners, list of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award winners, Dronacharya Award winners, and international personalities. So learn all these things, and if you have any query related to this game, then comment in the comment section. Thank you.